Okay, here's our finished project for our journal page. And the bees are painted, if I can get the light. These are painted gold and they have raised gel on them. Kind of leaves a neat effect. In the background you also see the gold reflecting that I used on a stencil. I called this done earlier and then decided, no, I'm going to go back in with some white, and I'm really glad I did. I put the highlights on the bees and the little dots on the words, which are raised as well. It's kind of hard for me to get a good angle, but anyway, there's the page. Don't look at the dirty desk. I got to wipe that off. Got some ink on it. I think it turned out nice. What do you think?